when we wake.
I like it. You like it?
Side by side, our fears are done.
Hello guys, good morning. We are Pick Your Dream, straight from Ubud. If you don't know us, we are traveling around Indonesia, showing the best what the country has to offer. So stick around. Today is Ubud time.
10 satu, 10.
10?
Ya 10 satu.
10-10.
Ya 10 ini ada plastik.
Yeah, turtle.
Ya good.
It's
10?
Ya
1.
1, 2,
Try something different here. That's
No,
what it's all
satu.
about.
1. Ya.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Sampai jumpa lagi. Let's see. Ugh. Not the best, not the worst. It's like a medicine, and that's what I believe it is this drink for.
We are in city center of Ubud. We've been here in 2019, but this time it's a little bit different. As you can see, not all the shops are open, the restaurants, some of them are closed, but the vibe of Ubud, it's priceless. They say Ubud is the cultural capital of Bali, and there is a reason why. Here you can connect with people, you can see the culture. It's surrounded with beautiful rice fields. If you haven't been yet in Ubud, you have to come to see.
So you guys know, while traveling with us, we're gonna give you some hints. There's no way you can miss this place. Ubud Art Market. Here you're gonna find tons of things to buy, very affordable, very nice little things, and they say if you come early in the morning, you're gonna get the best price. Is that true? We're gonna check right now because Piki is on a hunt for a hat. You think we're gonna find it? Stay there. So here we are in the middle of the market. We are actually surprised how many vendors are here, even considering the pandemic situation. So it's pretty amazing. Hello! and the people are extremely nice, as you can see. So let's see what we get today. There are so many things we don't even know where to look at, but one thing is sure, everybody's happy to see us because all the time we pass by, everybody says hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
So we are happy to be here as well.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
I like it. You like it? That's cool, yeah. So what's the price for it? You're on camera, yeah?
Okay, I give the last price 50 last.
50,000! Should we get for 50,000? You will see later on. As you can see, that's the tradition here. If you come in the morning, you are the first customer. Once the vendor has the first sale, she will slap the money or bless the entire shop as a sign of good luck. I hope we gave her a good luck. So Piki, show your new hat.
Oh, I'm getting too many things here. I
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go in the rice field.
So you guys, you like the hat? You think 50,000 was a fair price? Leave in a comment. We'd like to hear your opinion about that.
With you and I, the future is bright.
So this is one of the side entrances of the market. Let's see. Coffee shop. Oh wow.
Let's have a coffee.
Yeah. So what are you gonna order today?
I will go for the coconut cappuccino. Hot cappuccino.
We have a pit stop on Bali Star Coffee. It's a very traditional Balinese cafe. So if you're looking for something different, that's the place, and they also serve the luwak coffee, and the best of all, the luwak is here.
We don't need no more. Even
Piki, tell us what you are drinking.
Coconut cappuccino. It's so good without sugar.
I got the breathing luwak coffee. Have you tried this before? Because I didn't. So let's try it together. Better than I expected, knowing from where it's coming from. It's quite good, interesting taste. Next time you are around, come, we share one of that.
We finished shopping. I got my nice hat. We had a nice coffee also, and we were walking a little bit in Ubud Street. There are more and more shops are opening, which is a good sign. However, there are not that many customers, but still nice to see the shops are opening up. And you can always find some nice things. As we are in the city center, we popped in to see this beautiful Hindu temple, Saraswati. It's very famous. It's built in 1950s. The best is the gate behind me. I will show you in a second. If you go closer, it's so detailed. It's beautiful.
no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
We go for lunch, Picky.
Guys, I'm gonna take you in my favorite place. So don't go nowhere, because this place is magical. I hope you are hungry.
We don't need no more.
Oh, Picky monkey, stop, stop, stop. Hello.
Hello, little fella.
I'm coming another one.
There is no trip to Ubud if you don't meet a monkey.
We are actually passing by the monkey forest here in Ubud, and there are always the monkeys outside as well. Bye!
We got it. We don't need no more.
That's my favorite place in Ubud. Actually, it's not really in Ubud, it's about 13 minutes drive, but this place is amazing. The best way I can show you this place is with a drone. So I'm gonna send the drone up, and you're gonna understand why this place is so amazing. It's hard to say, but in my opinion it's magical. It's in the middle of the rice field. Hi, enjoy.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Not just the place is beautiful, but the food is amazing and it's pretty affordable. Now I'm gonna show you what I ordered and what Picky ordered. Mine is a nasi campur. It's a very local dish and comes with the iced tea. And Picky, she chose the Western food, so she has 2 mini burgers, and both of the dishes look delicious. What do you think?
I love it.
Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
I hope you enjoyed the day with us. It's much more content to come, and guys, we see so many of you new here, and also the loyal viewers what we have. Don't be shy, comment, write to us. We would be happy to connect with you. And you know, as always, we see you in the next one. This time we have no arrows to show you, but I'm here talking to you. And thank you all for all the support, comments, hints, what you guys are giving to us. Making those videos are being very nice and a great distraction for us, and we get the chance to connect with you all and travel and show you Indonesia. Thank you. Bye.